Hi, and thank you so much for your interest in the Power Within You series. The next one's coming up starting January 7th, and this video is a little bit of an overview about what to expect in the 4-week online series. First off, the reason I developed this series is that when I started developing my own intuition, my own psychic senses, and getting in touch with what are the clairs and how does intuition speak to me, and working with mediumship and psychic work and intuitive healing, I realized that no matter whether you're a healer, a writer, an accountant, everyone needs to be in touch with the language of your soul. And that's your intuition and the way that it speaks to you, because our intuition is typically subtle and nuanced. So developing confidence in your intuitive knowing, how it speaks to you, is really the fastest way to get in touch with your own truth, your own soul's knowing, and your own magic. During the 4 weeks, we will cover everything from, very simply, what are the clairs? Which ones are the strongest for you and how to activate them in different ways. We'll get you in touch with what are your yes, no, and neutral signals, how to ask questions of your intuition to get the most information. We'll also talk about the difference between the thinking mind, the rational mind, and the intuitive mind. We'll do some blind readings. We will also work with what I call psychometry, or what's called psychometry, which is a really powerful way to get intuitive information as well. We'll do mediumship, and mediumship is much more than talking to the dead or the spirit world. So mediumship is a powerful way to blend with energies, including homes or teams or organizations or other people or pets who are on the planet. We'll work with intuitive healing and how to use telepathy in positive and supportive ways. So if you have any questions about the course, please reach out to me on email. And if this resonates with you, I really hope to see you there. All right, thank you. See you soon.